Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. I'll leave the links down below. And all you gotta do is click on it and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. We're in a holiday rush now, guys. So if you don't want to go anywhere, you want to stay home, stay safe, all you gotta do, click that link. This is coming from Vont. Alright. Vont Starry string lights. Oh, sweet. 66 feet, 5 watt. 200 individual LEDs. High quality copper wire. Vont.com. There's the social feeds. Here we go. Let's take a look at these. You know, you gotta change your house up. And instead of staring at the white walls, add some LEDs to it. Oh, these are nice. There we go. Up you down. That there. Got the power source. USB. They got a nice long, I'm not sure where I'm going to wrap this thing around yet, but we'll test it out on here. And then I might post this on Instagram where I'm finished completing the this little project. So easy to use. Plug it in. Got a nice long USB cord. So this would be good for your like art room or kids playroom, your book reading room, game room. All depends on what kind of lighting you like, but definitely want to switch it up from the boring old school days of light bulbs. Is a lot nicer. You use it as a spare reading light. Hook it up in your bathroom. Anywhere that gets a plug. Ooh. These are nice, cozy. Alexa, turn off computer light. Oh shoot, I just shut it off. Man, this is nice. Let me turn off. Yeah, it's pretty bright too. Let me turn off the lights. Give me 1 second. Get up. Oh yeah, these look good. So there you go, guys. We got the Vont Starry LED. And they are long, so and twist. See? That's all you gotta do. Just be careful. Oh wow, this might take forever. Something easy to do. You got some free time now. Do your home up a little bit. Yeah, this is long. A lot of wire. There we go. Speed it up a little bit. Oh shoot. Yeah, I mean, this is good for now. Really cool though. There you go. So check them out, guys. Find it. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good day.